What up, everybody? Today we're going to show you some Legos. The first one is in this paper. Let's see what it is. It's Golden Mario! Let me put this together real quick. Okay, here's Golden Mario. Put him here. Next up we have this. Let's see what's inside. It's Bowser! Let's put them together real fast. Bowser's so evil. Okay, next we have this one. Let's see what it is. It's regular Mario. Let me put this together. And here we are. It's me, Mario. Put this here. Make him stand. Next, we have this one. Let's see who it is. It's Fire Mario. He ate a fire flower. Now he's gonna turn into Fire Mario. It's me, Mario. And I have fire powers too. Okay, let's put him next to his regular set. And last but not least, we have... Who is it? Wow, we have two things. Okay, so first we have Golden Bullet Bill. Pretty rare. Here, you can take it. Look it. I'm going to put it down. Wait a second. If this is a boomerang, bro, where is his shell? Well, yeah, where's the shell? Emily, what's this? I can't get it out. What is it? Okay, what else is it? Oh my god, this is so hard. What did you put in there, Emily? Like a burrito? What did you put in here? Oh, I'll be right back. 7 seconds later. Okay. Looks like Emily got us a shell. Thank you, Emily. Now go back home, Emily. Okay, let's put on the shell. So I think this is his top. And this is his bottom. Also known as his butt. Okay, so here we have the Boomerang Bro or Hammer Bro. I get confused sometimes. Here you go. Look at it. And we put it down for the day. Well, see you guys next time. Bye. Like, subscribe, and comment down below.